Come here. 10 layers of wig adhesive spray. Wondering why your lace won't stay down, why it won't melt, or even turns white. This is for you. So many people tell me how their wig game has changed since watching my channels. My name is Marie. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, do me a favor, go ahead and click that bell and then select all. That way you can get notifications straight to your phone when I upload. So today's video, I wanted to share a demo on how you can get the best hold with your adhesive sprays without doing too much. I feel like y'all are being taught to do way too much, and I've been sitting around watching this for a very long time. If you know my installs, you know every single one of them is always flawless. Why? Because I apply techniques that really do work. Let's be clear, more layers of glue does not equal a longer hold. Your products that you're using should hold with just one layer and should be super strong. So that's a myth. 10 layers does not equal long hold. I get some people to tell me my lace is still visible on my head. Maybe it's not your lace, girl, maybe it's your glue. Too much glue actually causes your lace to lift and be visible, because if you're applying too much, when you sweat, sometimes you can get that halo. So a good glue will always require less, and the cleanup should not be a mess. Let's get into today's video. I'm gonna show you guys my tips, and I'm gonna show you how I install this beautiful wig so that you will be able to achieve the same look. This wig comes from PrettyLuxHair. Let's unbox it. PrettyLux also offers a variety of wig accessories to go with your wig installs. You need edge brushes, if you need wig grips. They also have the fake scalp material. They have kits to fix your invisible strap wigs, and they also have nails. So we're working with the lace wig with the best hairline if you want a realistic, non-straight across look. Comes in this beautiful hair. Look how gorgeous this color is straight out the box. If you are into your beautiful browns and honey blondes, then this wig is exactly that. It also features Swiss lace and a mini knotless base. See, the knots in that parting is not there. This is a 22-inch, 150% density. Out the box, this is how gorgeous this hairline is. It does not have that straight across look. I know some of you are like, I'm not into it. Girl, that's you. I really do love how natural this hairline falls. We need to evolve from there though. And this is the first step to that, and I'm all for it, honey. This is what the hair looks like. Super gorgeous. This is a 22-inch. A 22-inch stops a little bit lower for me. It's super soft out the box. It's a BODYWAVE texture. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you the proper way to install your wig with wig adhesive sprays, because I get so tired of seeing people teaching you all to use 10 and 20 sprays of the wig adhesive sprays, and then a lot of you end up with a messy hairline or a hold that's not holding, piles of lace glue on your wig. I've been getting this question for a long time and I never understood it. I get girls asking me like, how do you clean a gunk load of adhesive sprays off? And I'd be like, just use water. And they'd be like, that doesn't work. And I'd be like, well, why doesn't it work? And I'm guessing it's because y'all have been taught to overly spray, because you don't need to do all that. And that's probably why your wigs aren't sticking right and they're not cleaning correctly. Now, when I'm wearing a wig like today's wig, it has the adjustable strap in the back. If I just want to use the adjustable strap, then I would use just a melting spray. It's going to melt it into that skin. I want hold and I don't want to use the straps in the back. Then there's two options that a lot of people like to use. It's either a lace glue spray. I like this one. And this one has an extreme hold. It can give you like a 2-day hold. People like to use the Got To Be. You all know about this. I've seen people spray so many layers of this spray on their head. So the first thing you want to do, and what we're going to do, is cut away this extra lace. Remember, if you're going to use sprays and you're going to leave your lace, there's a possibility that you're going to have lace with white crust, because a lot of times if you spray, sometimes it can seep down to the lace here. And this lace is gorgeous, isn't it? We'll start around the ear. We're going to get rid of this ear area, come above the wig. The same thing on the other side. And I'm telling you, take the tips that I give you. Watch the video. I have had so many people tell me how their wig game has changed since watching my channel, since watching my videos. I believe it, because I really do teach you guys the raw secrets that nobody else is telling you. So as you can see, it falls really good on each side. And I do notice they have that ear tab area here that's bendable. So If you didn't want to glue down your wig, you can bend that to lay down the sides, but we're gonna go ahead and use the adhesive spray today. I will have it linked in the description box. They have different colors, they have different varieties in their collection. Like, while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe. And if you are subscribed and you see that bell, click that bell and then click all. And that way you'll get notifications to your phone, because close enough to the edge of the hairline without leaving any lace. So once you have it cut, it should look like this. If you're noticing that it's a little uneven, you want to make sure it's even before you glue down. So you can take an edge band and place it around your natural hairline. You can make sure you don't get anything on your hairline. And what I like to do is just spray a layer, just a thin layer, and you're gonna rub it. When you do this, make sure you're not spraying too much, just a dime size amount, and just spread it with your fingers. Make sure it don't run down your face. Once you have that first layer, all you need to do, again, if it's not running down your face, that's a good sign. Take another layer. We're gonna spray and rub. Do the same thing on the side again and rub. Okay, and then we're gonna dry again. And this right here should be your last layer, okay? If the spray is good, 3 at the most. 3 layers at the most. You don't need any more than that. If it's not a good spray, you probably will need it. And as you can see, there's no crustiness, no mess, none of that. So we're gonna do 5 seconds this time. I'm gonna bring the wig into that glue. Make sure that lace is laying flat. Just press it down. Okay, like so. Get the hairs out of the glue. And just these little bit of steps that I showed will play a huge difference in your wig install. How clean that hairline look. It looks really good. Now if I wanted to with this, I can just clip off a little bit to take it back a little so it won't touch my eyebrows. That's no problem. It's not even a big deal here. And I still have that shape. I'm gonna push the strands of hairs back. So this right here is the melting spray. You only need a little bit of this too. You don't need to go crazy with it. If you want to, you can spray a little bit on your brush, like a makeup brush, and then just dab it around the hairline. I'm just gonna get this edge here because it does come down lower, and also the sides. Just one little bitty squirt is all you need, and rub it around the hairline. All right, we're gonna tie it down. When I tell you this hole is like this already, it's gripped, okay? This lace is laid. So pretty. This looks so good. And this is just gonna lay down any flyaways. I had somebody come and try to teach me what the flyaways are, and I'm just like, girl, you must be new here. I taught y'all what the flyaways were. But it's okay, it's okay. I still got some things I can learn. I do appreciate learning. Like, that's one thing I do like to do, is be in the now with updated things. And yeah, so as you can see, the hairline looks really good. It's not too far down. It looks natural. It's falling like a natural hairline should. It's falling exactly the way it should, y'all. And like I said, it will vary from person to person, just depending on how big your head is. If your head is bigger, you won't even need to do any adjustments. But yeah, you can pull it up, you know, looks really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and link this wig for you in the description box. So if you want a natural hairline, you're tired of the cakiness of the lace, you're tired of your lace not melting, you want hold, you want that natural hairline on top of that, then every step in this video I gave you should be helpful. Chef's kiss. All right, link will be below. Thank you guys so much for joining me back for today's video, and I'll see you back in my next.